Hey there, my friends. 𝐂𝐥𝐤𝐿 here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be talking all about my software business. My software business is a multiple income funnel that allows you to earn multiple streams of income with one funnel. You can use the funnel as either a SMS phone text funnel, or you can use it as an actual link funnel for those of you who want to promote on places like YouTube, so on and so forth. But the beauty of my software business is that it allows you to earn $200 commissions. It's a legitimate digital product that you can earn from and you can learn from as well because training is built in. So I'm going to give an overview, a business presentation of my software business so you can learn all about it, see how it can work for you to make money from home. If you want to learn more about it, see my link beneath this video. I also give access to my daily advertising um, strategies in my daily routine. So you get access to that as a bonus for partnering with me. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to jump into my software business and explain what it is. So let me just actually scroll, my friends. All right. So my software business, one of the when we're talking about compensation, let's start there and then we'll talk about the products, the services, etc. But let's start with the income. My software business allows you to get paid $200 daily indirectly. There is no, they don't hold your money and there is no income cap. And on top of that, you are able to get paid how you choose to get paid. Whatever payment processor you want to use, you can use, whether that's Cash App, PayPal, Square, Venmo. Um, I use, I already said I use Square. So however you choose, Stripe, you can choose to get paid that way. Okay. Now, this digital product, you're able to make $200 commissions whenever someone picks up this digital product from you. Okay. So that's pretty cool. So that's the compensation in a nutshell. Now, let's talk about the how. So what my software business is it is a you get a phone number with my software business. Okay, you're able to share that phone number on social media. You're able to market that phone number on your email list however you choose to market. Some people will use Craigslist. It doesn't matter the platform you choose, whatever platform you choose to market on, just be consistent. But you're able to share a phone number with others looking to make $200 commissions, and also who want to learn from the platform. And that's how you can market it. Now, they also give you a link as well. So, for those of you who maybe don't want to market with SMS text message marketing, you can market using a link, okay? Like on YouTube. And you can put that link as well. So they give you both options. You get both a phone number and a link at the same time. And you could choose to you could switch between the two how you share, or you could use your link as well. It doesn't matter which one you use to promote. Okay. Step number two, and this is something that I really, really like about this, is that when someone goes into essentially your funnel, okay, that's what it is, right? So if you're advertising the phone number, they're going into a phone funnel. And what's going to happen, or even if you use the link, it doesn't matter. The software is set up that once someone gets into the link, the AI success coach takes over to essentially give the person more information to make a decision to join or to buy. Okay. So when someone goes through your link or your phone number, the AI coach essentially takes over. This is basically everyone who calls or texts your phone number will be connected with the AI text messaging success coach, and they're essentially going to guide them through the process. Okay. So when a person who went into your phone funnel, they dialed your phone number or they went through your link, either way, they make a decision to buy, you are able to collect $200. 100% of that $200 goes into your payment processor and your bank account. Okay. So this is how the AI success coach works. This is literally, let's go back a screen. You see right here, you see this little chat bot. Essentially, it's a chat bot. Okay. It's a very um, complex chat bot. Well, essentially, it talks to the person, right, via text. So the AI success coach will answer their questions. They can type in a certain question, it's going to answer their question. And that is pretty powerful because it's something you don't have to do. Okay. It will answer their questions and it will, encourage them to buy the product. Okay. And then when they buy it, you collect $200 and 100% of that. Okay. And you get to choose what payment processor you want to receive it in. Okay. Let's talk about the actual product because that's a question that people always have is like, well, what is the product? What am I promoting? How can I make money with this? What's the product? Remember, this is a digital product. So it's a digital product suite. Okay. One of the first tools is a OPP marketplace. What that is it's a marketplace of tools that allows you to sell other people's software and products and earn big commissions from doing that. Okay, so that's one of the products is that it's a product digital product marketplace which allows you to make money off of other people's software, and that's what affiliate marketing is you don't have to create the product. You're literally sharing someone else's product, promoting someone else's product, and when someone buys it, you make a commission. That's the beauty of affiliate marketing. The next thing is that you get access through this platform to a mobile money page creator. You're able to create engaging, captivating, and high converting mobile ready websites to help you build your mobile list and to make money online. Okay. You're also going to get access to a training system and a community. Now, for $200 to be plugged into a training system in a community, that's pretty cool. Okay? So you have access to a training system and a community where you can learn how to basically get paid online through affiliate marketing by selling other people's products. That is what affiliate marketing is. Okay? So that's pretty cool. Let's talk about this OPP marketplace because what I know is that a lot of affiliate marketers they want to be able to promote multiple income streams online. But what happens is a lot of affiliate marketers get overwhelmed with all the things that they have in their toolbox. They have no idea how to promote all of those things together. And then they either confuse their audience with promoting too many things or things that don't seamlessly go together, and they don't know how to do it. Well, the seamless way to promote multiple streams of income is to have multiple income streams that are in one funnel. So then you're only promoting one funnel, my software business, right on the front end. And when people get into your funnel, they can see all the other things that you promote. Okay, so this is the problem that the OPP marketplace solves. With the OPP marketplace, you're able to add your own software related programs. Let's say you're promoting ClickFunnels or GetResponse or Power Lead System. It doesn't matter what you promote. You're able to add your own software related programs, products, and opportunities to your OPP marketplace so that when someone goes through your link, they're not only just exposed to my software business, they're exposed to the other things that you promote. You can also add to the OPP marketplace your own affiliate links for any recommended programs, products, and opportunities that the system makes available. So you can also add your affiliate links for some of the recommended programs that they have. So, for example, I'll give you an example. In the OPP marketplace, they also recommend TextBot AI. If you are a TextBot AI affiliate, you just plug in your affiliate link for that. So now when someone goes into the OPP marketplace through your link, they're able to see those things. Okay. And then there's other opportunities in the OPP marketplace to stack more multiple streams of residual income. Okay. So let's talk about the training system. One of the biggest problems that affiliate marketers have is they don't know how to generate traffic or visitors to their website, which then generates sales. Okay. What this does, how this solves that is it has a training system and a community. With My Software Business, you get access to an evergreen library of pre-recorded training videos that will teach you all about how to be profitable with affiliate marketing. Because guys, here's the thing, affiliate marketing is not hard. I can tell you that it's not. As someone who went from flop, 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 failing, failing, failing online, I learned very quickly that all affiliate marketing is doing what I'm doing right now. Making simple videos if you're willing to make the videos, right? Whether you want to show your face or not, make the videos, put the videos up on YouTube, and share how the system works and how it could benefit other people. And if you stay consistent with that, your sales will come over time, and then they'll get more consistent, and then they'll compound. That's all it is. It's how consistent are you willing to be with one platform, one strategy, right? How consistent are you willing to be? Okay. So that's that. You're also going to get access to a private and exclusive Telegram community. So with my software business doesn't have a Facebook community. And I think that's a good thing. Not everybody wants to be on Facebook all day, including me. Raise hand, right? So Telegram, they have a Telegram community where you can pop in, they give announcements in there. I was in there the other day kind of scrolling. They gave a couple like email swipes and stuff, things like that. So you get access to a private exclusive Telegram community as well, where you can see what's going on with the system. Okay, the next thing is there's a mobile money page creator. All that really means is you have the ability to quickly and easily add Ava and TextBot to any of the mobile money pages. And, it's just an additional tool to be able to promote the income streams that you have within my software business. Okay. The other thing to note is that my software business, they're constantly innovating and creating new and powerful softwares to help you monetize what you already do, your daily activities, save you time and energy, basically, right? And as they increase these softwares, etc., you'll get access to that in the OPP marketplace at no additional cost. Okay. The best part is, you can make money by sharing the My Software business with other people. Think about when I think about who my software business is good for, it's good for people who are already trying to promote multiple things and trying to find a seamless way to introduce all their offers to person. Stop doing that. Learn to promote funnels. This is a way to do it, right? So for someone who's looking to promote multiple streams of income without being all over the place, this is a good example. This is also good for someone who's interested in SMS text message marketing. Then this will be good for that affiliate marketer as well. Okay. Also for someone who wants a low ticket offer in their toolbox, they want something where they can make, $200 commissions, easy peasy, keep the compensation simple. Okay. It's a good entry point for most affiliate marketers. Then this will be good for that person as well. All right, let's get to the money. How much does it cost to start being able to promote this, right? So there's a $50 one-time reseller license that makes you eligible to be a promoter of this actual digital product, and that is paid directly to the company. And with that $50, you'll receive a phone number and you can start promoting with it. You'll get 1,000 messages included for free. And then you have to pay the $200, which is direct to your whoever your inviter is, okay, or whoever exposed or gave you the link or whatever. Okay, there is an option. You don't need to do this, so I'm gonna like scroll past this, but there is an opportunity for an additional $50 a month. You can get unlimited text message marketing. I don't think that fairness, I don't think you need this right away because they give you 1,000 minutes included for free. And I'm be honest, 1,000 minutes will take you pretty far for most affiliate marketers unless you're doing some serious heavy text message marketing. Okay, so don't jump into this just yet unless you feel like you need it. If you want to, knock yourself out. Let's talk about the text message details or texting details with the text messaging platform. Um, I'm gonna skip that to be honest because it's just not a need to know right now in this presentation. So anyways, to get started is $250 total, right? To get started. That's it. $200 paid to the person who introduced you. You went through their link or whatever. That's $200. $50, which is paid to the company. $250. That $250 again is going to give you access to the My Software Business software, which is your phone number and your link, right? So you get all that. You're going to get access to the OPP marketplace, which is essentially where you can put in all your business opportunities in there and be able with one funnel, one phone number, or one link, be able to promote the multiple things that you promote in one place. Okay. You're going to get access to the mobile money page creator to be able to create mobile pages. You're going to get access to the training system, which is those pre-recorded training sessions, and access to the Telegram community. And then you're going to get the reseller license. So now once you join, you have the opportunity to go out and make $200 commissions every time somebody buys my software business for you. Not a, I want you to think economics, right? For a simple one-time $250, you can make that over and over and over again. If you make one or two commissions, you're in profit mode. Okay? Everything from there, rinse and repeat, profit over and over and over again. When you join a business opportunity, I want you to think, how many sales do I need to make to be in profit? Start thinking like a business. Business is about profit, right? So that's that. So that's that. I ain't gonna really go into too much of this other stuff because it's kind of redundant. But that's how it works. I just really wanted you to understand that it's a 100% commission program. There's no monthly fees. You're able to make $200 commissions. It's a legitimate product. It allows you to promote multiple streams of income, okay, with one funnel, okay? And that's that. So if you're ready to get started, remember when you partner with me, you get access to my daily marketing strategies. See the link beneath this video. Reach out if you have any questions. Smash the subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.